My name is Kurt Otten. I'm the mayor for the city of Clear Lake Shores. Primarily, the camera system is used for security purposes. The police force uses it a lot. If they have an incident that occurs, they can go back and look into those things and see what the factuals are.
It's easy for me to use. So, for me to be able to get on these videos and easily find, dates and times and scroll through, and that's important. All the officers can come on and pull up the videos and look for them, during investigation of their cases.
I found it easy to maneuver with. It's easy to go back into history and find specific events. And we have numerous cameras scattered throughout the city on different assets and parks. We even have license plate readers on entrances to the residential section of our city.
The swimming pool, community pool, that allows us to see into that without having to send personnel out there. The city hall for various purposes there for the police, and we also have them inside of our community center, our clubhouse, and we have our court there, so that helps protect our judge and the court staff.
Yeah, anytime we've needed a video, we're able to get right on the system and find it, and it's been worked real well. It's worked out real well. There was a rash of burglary of motor vehicles occurred in Lake City, and they heard wind that the person possibly came out here and dropped someone off in our area about a certain day and time. And sure enough, we had a little rash of some crime that had occurred during that night, and it was all tied up into the same vehicle. We were able to find the vehicle on these cameras right here, provide them with that information, and not only crimes that occurred with this group of people in Lake City was solved, but it ventured out into Friendswood and some other areas too, so they came in real handy right there. We have great investment in the city. I'm real happy that we have that. Great tool.
So I have the unique opportunity to use similar type systems out at a NASA complex. The capability of this system here is pretty much night and day to me. I was able to zoom in quickly on certain situations where I was wanting to get into a timeline.
Lighthouse, I'm most impressed with their response. There are times when we lose a camera. You can't insulate it from everything in nature. So what I like about Lighthouse is that we can make one call and they can handle everything we need. If you were considering doing business with Lighthouse, I would certainly advise you to at least give them a call.
The experiences with Lighthouse, it's been very pleasurable. I came on board as mayor this past May of 2019, and the technician was able to accommodate any schedule that I wanted to meet with him, and then he came out. He didn't really even want to do it on the phone. He actually wanted to do it in person, face to face, and everything was just very pleasurable, just taking our time.
Sometimes what the customer thinks they needs are different than what the reality is. And I think they do a good job of listening to your needs and then finding a solution for you. So, give them a call.
Very happy with the service. And if you're looking for videos, contact Lighthouse Videos. I highly recommend it.